Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will be telling about how to fix slow charging problem in your Motorola smartphone. If you are having with different charger, charge it with a Motorola original charger in the box accessories. So if you don't have, you can buy it nearby. Secondly, you have to just charge at 80 to 90%. Don't charge at 100%, or don't come at 0% when it's dead, so it is not easy to charge it properly, or it will overheat your device sometimes. So avoid these things. You have to just go to the settings and type here battery. It will be showing here, so you can enable this battery optimization adaptive battery for better use. So you can see, use adapter battery, limit battery for applications that do not use often. So when you just enable these, so some of the application you not use often, so it will not use that battery, so you can enable it from here. Now just press back. Here it is battery protection, you can enable this also. So it is a AI battery, so when it will stop charging at 80% and resumes, so it will maintain your overall battery health. So this is how you can fix slow charging problem, and you can check if your cable is broken or sometimes adapter is not working. So you have to just charge it with another mobile phone. If it is charging or not charging, you can check it there. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.